You know how to create the table employees. Already I gave the demo in the afternoon. Now I'm going to give the demo only for the query which is new for today's lab. Okay, I'll open the database. Already I created the employee table. You click right and you can see the design view. What are the fields, what are the data type, and what are its properties, everything. Right click and close it. Now I'm going to give the demo for the query. Okay, the first query is select all the fields from the books table. Go to create query design. Click query design and select the books table. Books table, add and close it. You have to select all the fields. Just double click one by one. All the fields will be added here. So now all the fields are added here. What is the condition? Sort the query in descending order according to the list price. According to the list price, descending. What is the next condition? Query should display only those records where publisher is equal to parenthesis all. This publisher, you have to write the condition here in the criteria. So publisher like within quotation parenthesis all. Close the quotation. Now both our conditions are finished. Now run the query from here. So you got the records, all the publishers names are parenthesis all, and the list price in the descending starting from 30 to 27. Now you have to save the query. Click right here, save. What is the name? Parenthesis all books. Save it. Now the query will be available in the list here. Click right and close it. Now the second query. Select these fields only from the books table. ISBN, title, author and list price. From the books table, ISBN, title, author and list price. Now the condition is sort the query in descending order of the list price. List price in descending order. The second rule is query should display only those records where the author name begins with letter G. Author name begins with letter G. So the author name, you have to write it in the criteria. Author name like within quotation G star. So the first letter should be G, remaining any letter. So you have to put like. Like means equal. Now run the query. Now see, author name all starts with G but different names, and list price is descending starting from big to small. Now save the query. Click right, save. Author name begins with G. Save it. You can see the query here. Click right and close. The third query is select all the fields from books. Now go here, create query design from the books table. Double click one by one because all the fields. Okay. What is the second rule? Sort the query in descending order according to the author field. So author field descending order. Then the next condition, next rule is query should display only those all records year is greater than 95 or list price is greater than 25. Two conditions are there. Okay. So year is greater than 1995, or see here, or means in the below. Here you have to write what is that? list price greater than $25. So list price, where is that list price? That is in the books table. Books dot, you can see all the fields, list price. Okay, double click list price greater than 25. Okay, now both conditions are written here. Now run the query. See, all the year are more than 1995 or the list price is more than 25. Any one condition is satisfied, it will take the record. Okay, now click right and save the query. New books. Close the query. Now the fourth query. Fourth query you will take from the products table, all the fields. Okay, go to create query design from the product, close, all the fields, double click one by one. What is the first condition? Sort the query in descending order according to unit in stock. Unit in stock, descending order. Next one, query should display only those all records whose unit on order is equal to 0 and here and, okay, whose unit price is between 50 and 100. So first condition is unit on order is equal to 0. Unit on order is equal to 0. Put equal to 0. And second condition is unit price between 50 and 100. You can write unit price the same, and means the same line. Okay, the same line, the same criteria line, you write it. Okay, greater than 50 and less than 100. Between 50 and 100 means you can write greater than 50 and less than 100. Okay, now run the query. So you can see only two records. See, units on order is equal to 0 and unit price is between 50 and 100. Okay, between 50 and 100. I show the product table is having lot of records with different units on records, unit on orders and unit price. But we want only the unit on order is equal to 0 and unit price is between 50 and 100. Okay, now save the query. Product costing between 50 and 100. So I finished the fourth query. You can see all the queries here, all the four queries here. So along with these four queries, you have to do the table employees and one form and one report. Okay, all these things you finish and save it, close it, and then send it to me.